Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In this video I'm going to show you how I fixed my refrigerator that was not cooling. This is a GE refrigerator, the model I mentioned in the description. So I did some research. I looked into the YouTube. There are a couple of videos where you can see the similar issues happening and how it got resolved. And thanks to those who published their videos, that really helped me to get a step forward and do myself to fix this issue. Make sure you follow the safety protocols before you start working on it. I started from the back side of the refrigerator to see if there is anything blocking. Everything looked normal to me, so I moved towards the inside of the fridge. As you can see, there's a lot of frosting on the wall built up. You can see there is the sheet or the wall that covers the frosting area. You'll have to remove that sheet. There are two screws on the top which need to be unscrewed. Also make sure you detach the thermostat clips which clip to the sheet. Once you open up the sheet, you can see there's a lot of frosting happen. In this case, I checked basically two things. One is the defrost thermostat and the one is a defrost heater. Also ordered the defrost heater which comes with the thermostat also. Here is the description of the defrost heater as well as the thermostat. So meanwhile, I cleaned up everything, put the sheet back. Just to let you know that at this point I did not replace the defrost heater because since it would take a couple of days to get it here, so I cleaned up everything. Also, just to make sure you clean up the back side of the refrigerator where the water, all the ice melted, water gets accumulated on the back side near the compressors. I also waited for a couple of days to see whether I can reproduce this issue. After 2 weeks, I saw the same problem appearing again. This is a fixing time, and so I repeated the process of cleaning again, defrosting all the ice and replacing the defrost heater. And since I put the new defrost heater, I did not see any issues. It's been a couple of months now, more than 3 months. I don't see any frosting happening. I hope this video helps for someone who is looking to have the same issue, and hopefully it will help many others to fix their the cooling issues. Thank you so much.